Hey, I'm JC, and I'll be going over the lower extremity origin insertions. So first we'll start with the femur on the posterior side. Number 1 is the piriformis, that's the insertion for it. Number 2 is the insertion for the gluteus medius. Number 3 is the insertion for the gluteus minimus. Number 4 is the origin for the vastus lateralis. And number 5 is the insertion for the vastus intermedius. Next we'll go to the anterior side. Number 1, it kind of cut off, but number 1 is the insertion for the gluteus medius. Number 4 is the insertion for the iliopsoas. Number 5 is the insertion for the adductor magnus. Number 6 is the insertion for the pectineus. Number 7 is the insertion for the adductor brevis. Number 8 is the origin for the vastus medialis. Number 9 is the insertion for the adductor longus. Number 10 is the origin for the biceps femoris short head. Number 3 is the origin for the vastus lateralis. And number 2 is the insertion for the glute maximus. And then for the os coxae, these are all origins. So number 1 is the origin for the semimembranosus. Number 2 is the origin for the semitendinosus and the biceps femoris long head. Number 3 is the origin for the adductor magnus. Number 4 is the origin for the gracilis. Number 5 is the origin for the adductor brevis. And number 6 is the origin for the adductor longus. And then again for the os coxae, we have number 1 is the origin for the glute maximus. Number 2 is the origin for the glute medius. Number 3 is the origin for the TFL. Number 4 is the origin for the glute minimus. Number 5 is the origin for the sartorius. Number 6 is the origin for the rectus femoris. Number 9 is the origin for the piriformis. Number 8 is the origin for the semitendinosus and the biceps femoris long head. And then number 7 is the origin for the semimembranosus. And that will be all. Thanks.